Hi everyone, I'm never quite sure how to start these videos, but it's me again, Mayor Mark, and I promised you last week that I'd be back in front of the camera soon, and here I am. And I do want to take a moment and say thank you to my cameraman, Kevin Wright. He does all the editing, he makes me always look so well. And I do apologize to my voice today. I don't know what's going on. It's not as strong as usual, so I hope you can hear me just fine. But today I'm standing outside of our municipal services building, and we call it the MSB, and this is where we house all of our utilities. It's our electric, our water, our sewer, and our public works department. I thought this would be a good setting for today's update, as I want to give you a little more detail about how we are shifting our staffing and making sure to protect our employees, the general public, and keeping our essential services going. Since COVID-19 came into our lives at the beginning of March, we have been looking at our facilities, our programs, and our services methodically. Because these things change so quickly with this virus, we have focused on planning in short-term periods. Our number one priority is to make sure that we continue to provide these essential services like the electric, sewer, water, and public works functions. Our biggest fear is having one of our departments have their staff exposed to this virus. We have been working hard on implementing a plan to prevent this scenario from happening. We are implementing social distancing, limiting the exposure, and as much as possible, we are having staff working from their homes. For those that can't work at home, we have staggered shifts, we've limited the number of people in trucks, and we are working on gathering more PPE for our staff outside of the public safety departments, like building officials that are going in and out of different buildings. We are taking these steps to make sure that we don't have whole departments in one place at a time. We care about our employees and certainly the services they provide to you. We want to do everything that we can to keep them safe. Because of these precautionary steps, I will say we are not doing business as usual. Many of you are getting outside nowadays with this beautiful weather that we're starting to have, going out for a walk, a run, a bike ride, whatever you might be doing on the trails. While this is great and good for the emotional exercise that we need also during these trying times, we are receiving a lot of calls about low branches or holes in pavements and cracked sidewalks and other repairs that would be needing. Normally, we are really quick to take care of these things, but that is not the case right now. The crews we're keeping separated for safety reasons. Your calls, though, are still very important to us, and thank you for the understanding that we are making these staffing adjustments to make sure that we can continue to provide our key services. Things are still getting done, but they're just taking a little bit longer than they have in the past. I would also like to take this opportunity and share some non-COVID news. I'm sure most of you have heard that we have a new police chief starting on Monday, April 13th. His name is Ryan Seibert, and I am thrilled to have him on our Chaska team. It's been a long time since we've had to do a swearing-in ceremony because our past chief, Chief Knight, was a police chief for over 20 years. But I am very confident that Chief Seibert will fit right in to Chaska's mission to be the best small town in Minnesota. On Monday, April 13th, I will be swearing in Chief Seibert at the Chaska Fire Station. Unfortunately, it will not be open to the public because of limited access into the building, but we will be televising it on our Chaska Community Television and our YouTube channel. Before I close, I need to say thank you to a few groups. Thank you to the teachers, the principals, and support staff at the school district. It's been amazing to see what they have done to implement district learning and handing out lunches to students that need them. It's been great to see the positive ways that you have found to lift our community. I also want to say thank you to all the people working in retail businesses, from the truckers delivering the products to all the women and men working in the grocery stores, the gas stations, the pharmacies, the other essential stores, making sure that we are able to get all the necessary supplies we need daily. I also want to give out a huge thank you to the police department, the fire department, the paramedics, the 911 operators, the healthcare workers, and also thank you to all the medical personnel working on test kits, treatments, and a vaccine. You are truly putting your lives on the line every time you answer a call or see a patient. Thank you very much. And thanks for listening today. Remember to support our local businesses. These businesses are such a big part of Chaska, and we want to keep them going through these challenging times. Many of these restaurants are still open and have takeout and delivery services. You can find more information on our city website. And lastly, may God bless our country and all of you. Be well, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay home. If you must go out, remember social distancing. I'd like to wish you all a very happy Easter. I know that'll be a very different Easter, not being able to worship together, spend time together with your families, but I know we'll adapt just like we're adapting to this, and we'll do the best we can do. So have a great weekend, and we'll be talking to you soon in the near future. Thank you.